guess at the end too, we can do a little bit of a demo, eh? So we can drive around, so yeah, we can go cut a little bit with it. So yeah, people seem to really like that. I gotta say too, like that was fantastic lunch, like just fantastic. Is it recording there? So we gotta put a special shout out too to Barry and Parts. That was some great salads, and Graham, those pork chops today at lunch, grade A. So. Hey, it's Chris here today from Huckabones Equipment. Right here beside me we have the Z412. We're going to do a quick little conversation about it and comparing it to the Z411. So let's jump right into it. Yeah, please come on a Friday afternoon and you can enjoy some lunch here at Huckabones Equipment. We like to cook it on the Big Green Egg. So
Kyle's missing out since he moved.
Yeah, Kyle's been missing out since he moved out. So
I am missing out. It's the best barbecue. They have it every Friday. They have all sorts of different meats, and they do it on a Big Green Egg thing. Anyway, go check it out in their playlist. It's wild.
And we haven't really shot too many of those videos, but yeah, they're drool worthy. So talking about a Z412. So the Z412 came out this spring. I know we here at Huckabones didn't really fully understand that it was a brand new model coming out. We just thought it was orderable options that were coming out for the Z411, but turns out once they arrived that they were brand new models. So a little bit of miscommunication on our end, but we were able to order some, as well as the Z422s. Really only differences over the Z411s to the new models of the 412s is these bigger front tires, which are 6.5 inches wide. And you'll see that it comes standard with the suspension seat. It is the same seat you'll see on the diesels. So very deluxe, high back, and extremely comfortable over the standard Z411 seat, or I should say over the Z400 series seats. So yeah, those are the two main differences that we didn't really fully understand whenever we were ordering these, that this is how they'd come. So the two models that you'll see out there are the Z412 and the Z422. The 422 comes in either 54-inch deck or 60. Again, talking about the Z400s overall, we'll kind of talk a little bit about that, and then we're going to actually go out and try these out so that we can test out this new comfortable seat. So whenever we're talking about the Z400s, again, you're going to always have a nice wide platform compared to the Z200s. So again, quite a bit wider, a little bit more comfort. You know, you're going to have that steel platform that you're able to remove to get into those pulleys, especially if you're doing a little bit more commercial end of stuff. It's great to clean that out once a day or every few cuts. You know, moving a little bit farther back, your deck sizes are going to be either 48, 54, or 60. And then jumping a little bit farther back, two engines available. You're either going to have a 22 horsepower Kawasaki or 24, depending if you're in the 48-inch cut, or then the 24 horsepower follows the 54 or 60. So all three models have the same transmission. They have the ZT3600 commercial grade units under there. So the big thing to know about a Z400 is for Kubota in particular, it's the beginnings of the commercial. So again, they're kind of a little bit more rugged than the Z200. It's going to last a little bit longer, going to be a little bit more comfortable while you're using it. So 412 that we're discussing here today just adds to that. It's a little bit more comfortable because it's got the larger tires and a way nicer seat, all for a little bit more price tag. That kind of brings to a quick overview of the unit itself and kind of pointing out a couple of the differences on these 412s. Now we're going to jump to trying these out. We got some tall grass. It's been rainy this week again. So yeah, let's go out and try these out. You know, the grass is about 3 inches long and it's kind of an old field, so it's going to be kind of rough. So. So that kind of brings to the end of the demo and the end of today's video. We'd like to give a quick shout out to John Rooney, our regular yard guy who cuts all our grass. He had some shoulder surgery last week, so we wish him a speedy recovery, and he obviously does a much better job at this than I do. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video on a quick overview of what the Z412 offers with its deluxe seat and its much wider front tires. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below.